Medical transportation continues to attract significant interest from both strategic and financial buyers, and there are a few key trends driving that activity. First, the long-term demand outlook remains very compelling. For the healthcare investors, this is a common theme. In the US, we have an aging population, increasing rates of chronic disease, and growing healthcare utilization that continue to drive the transportation services across the continuum of care. At the same time, investors are increasingly focused on AI-insulated industries. While technology and AI will certainly play an important role in areas such as dispatch, logistics, revenue cycle management, patients still need to be physically transported, creating durable and essential service offering. Second, we're seeing an expanding buyer universe. Historically, many investors comfortable and knowledgeable about the CapEx and the fleet dynamic, like transportation and logistics investors, avoided healthcare because of the reimbursement complexity, while many of the healthcare investors preferred asset-light business models. Today, we're having more conversations than ever with both groups as they become more educated and comfortable with the sector. Transportation and logistics investors are investing the time to understand the healthcare reimbursement dynamics, while healthcare investors are increasingly recognizing transportation as a critical component of patient access, care coordination, and outcomes. Third, we're seeing a meaningful change on the operator side. Many founders entered this industry because they wanted to serve patients and improve care. Today, those same operators are navigating labor shortages, wage pressure, increasing technology requirements, and growing expectations from health systems and payers. As a result, we're having more conversations than ever around growth capital, strategic partnerships, acquisitions, ownership transition planning, and operators are looking for ways to continue to expand their impact and get back to why they entered the industry to improve patient outcomes, while also addressing those operational and capital requirements needed to compete in an increasingly complex environment. These are just a few of the themes that are shaping the sector today. We haven't even touched on MIH or mobile integrated health or TIP treatment in place programs or the increasing focus on reducing the total cost of care. And while there's certainly some headwinds in the market, overall buyer interest remains strong and we expect transaction activity to remain robust. Recent transactions, including the one we recently announced with Procare Ambulance partnering with Protos Capital to expand, highlight the continued interest in the sector. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to download our full report or reach out to a member of our team. As always, we're happy to compare notes on what we're seeing in the medical transportation landscape.